Hi everyone, this video is for a full-time role that you can do from home or anywhere. This is a full-time remote job opportunity. This opportunity is for everyone. So no matter what is your current location, you can still apply for the job. This is a fully remote position and the successful individual could be based anywhere in the world. If you are interested to find remote job opportunities or work from home opportunities, either full-time or part-time, you can check out my channel Simple Job Charts to get the information related to different job leads. Here you can get job leads related to your skills or interest area, and so based on your skills or expertise you can check out the job leads and apply for the job. Now let's check out about the role and the company. The company's name is Wishpond Technologies and the company is hiring for lead research team leader, and this is a worldwide opportunity. So no matter what is your current location, you can apply for the job, and if you get selected, you can start working remotely. Now let's check out about the company. So Wishpond Technologies was founded in 2009, and this is a rapidly growing technology company providing digital marketing solutions targeted at small businesses. The cloud-based platform includes landing pages, social promotions, website pop-ups, online forms, and lead activity tracking. Wishpond has a dedicated team of professional project managers, designers, copywriters, and developers who provide marketing services tailored to our individual clients. So Wishpond serves around 3,000 customers in various industries and sizes, from startups to large Fortune 500 companies. Wishpond has a rapidly growing global headcount and continues to hire dedicated and qualified employees and contractors who have what it takes to scale a successful software company. This is about the role. So here it is written that we are searching for a lead research team leader to join our growing team on a full-time basis. This is a fully remote position and the successful individual could be based anywhere in the world. You will work with an amazing remote team servicing and building relationships with clients based in the US and Canada. As a lead research team leader, you will oversee the database research, collection, and quality control process. In collaboration with the entire team, the lead research team leader is responsible for the success of Wishpond Technologies. Here is the detail about the qualification that the company is looking for its lead research team leader. So here the company is looking for person who has minimum 2 years of experience in an administrative or database research role, and the person should have minimum of 2 years experience supervising staff. The person should have experience with an unstructured and fast-paced startup environment and this would be an asset, and the person should be self-motivated with the ability to establish goals and reach them. So as a part of a diverse team, the ability to work both independently and collaboratively. As a part of a diverse team, the ability to work both independently and collaboratively is required, and the person must be a problem solver and result driven. The person should be tech savvy, organized, administratively strong, and fluent in English, spoken and written. And the person should be willing to participate in ongoing education and training for the role. So the person should have intermediate to advanced Word, PowerPoint, and Excel skills. These were some of the qualifications or skills that the company is looking for in the candidate. So now here is a list of roles and responsibilities that you can expect working as a lead team leader. Here are some of the roles and responsibilities that you can expect working as a lead research team leader at Wishpond. So here you need to optimize and control the database research and lead the collection process. And you need to supervise a team of internal researchers to meet the company's standards and targets. So you will be working as a team leader here, and then you need to validate and quality check databases on a daily basis. You need to administer databases for a variety of industries and brands. You need to maintain logs and reports of data collection criteria, processes, and KPIs. And you need to ensure the data research and collection process is scalable and repeatable. You need to process databases for email verification. You need to supervise and conduct professional social networks research. You need to collaborate with and support the SDR and email deliverability teams. You need to provide daily updates on staff performance and project progress and other duties as assigned. So these were some of the roles and responsibilities that a lead research team leader should expect. And this is a team lead role, and here you will be a team leader for your team and guiding your team and doing QC checks. uh, Now here is the work environment. So it is expected that the successful candidate will provide their own workstation, computer and headset, and have a fast and reliable internet connection. And certain roles will be required to utilize and or download company approved software. So you can expect, so the company may ask you to download company approved software while working. And then the individual must be prepared to work standard business hours on EST or PST, so that the work timing will be EST or PST. And due to the nature of this role, the company may verify your backgrounds, including conducting employment references, criminal record check, and credit checks. So this is based on the company's requirements. And once hired, the successful candidate must provide a valid government issued photo ID and proof of residential address as part of their onboarding process. So here are some of the benefits that you can expect working as a team as a lead research team leader. So this is a fully remote position allowing you to work from home or anywhere in the world. You will be working in exciting and dynamic environment with a great leadership team. You you will have comprehensive training program and regular performance reviews to facilitate your success, and competitive compensation based on experience and proven abilities. You will have great referral programs with incentive and bonuses, and unbelievable product discounts when you use the company's products for your own business. A global workforce of multicultural and talented colleagues, a close-knit operation with amazing growth opportunities for your personal development, a high-growth SaaS technology company publicly traded on the TSX Venture Exchange, and corporate headquarters is established in Canada, and you will have access to the company's education credit program and so much more. So if you get selected, you can expect these benefits working as a lead research team leader. So if you're interested, go ahead and check out all the details yourself. And here is the apply button. If you're interested, you can apply for the job. Now this is the application form that you can fill. Here you can provide which location you're applying for, and then you can attach your resume, provide your full name, email ID, phone number, current location and the current company, and then LinkedIn URL or any other social media profile URL. And then you need to provide your personal details related to where do you live, the company or the state where you live currently, and what is your preferred start date. Then what are your salary expectations per month. And then lead research team. So here is the lead research team lead questionnaire. So you need to fill up this questionnaire. Why are you looking for work at this time? You need to provide the answer. And then what particular skills and abilities have you made especially effective in doing this kind of work? And then what motivates you at work? Give an example of a time where you needed motivation and how did you deal with it. Then what website do you use to generate leads intelligence? And what experience do you have in generating data? What are your thoughts on Zoom Info, Apollo, and Lucia? And how would you find the contact info for Persist IQ? Please provide the contact information of a decision maker and the steps you took. Did you use any AI to fill out these questions? If you did, please let us know how you use it. And then, do you have experience using Clay? Additional information. So yeah, if After filling in the application, you can submit the application and go ahead and check out all the details. And thank you for listening.